alam gid mo no. Photoshoot, okay.
Wapo ko ay so, namikan ang mo.
为了保持地铁站和车厢的清洁，请勿在站内或地上饮食。谢谢。
Nakita ko sa bus Madam So. Nabaka sa pagpakulit natin. Pagbawa natin pa rin. Doon lang lang.
Okay, iya lang ni sila og kuan sa ilahang mga video diha. So pasulod na mi sa MRT station. This is underground. So walay init. Walay init ron. Kay naa mi sa ilalo. Okay, here with me are my colleagues.
Reklamos mga bakwe.
Lag.
Habang kita ni regarding
Events. For a syllabus for Stevens. Iya lang video. Iya lang. So we're here at the MRT station ticketing service kiosk. For those who don't have go time, pwede ra magkuha diri. Mubayad lang mag $10 and you pay another $5. But I suggest when you visit Singapore, you should have the GoTime card for easy access. GoTime card. So dali ra kayo siya. Okay, going to MRT station, going down from the highway. We need to go down. We'll see. Hi everyone. There you go. It's so hot in here. Very hot in Singapore. Wow. We're here in Stevens Road. Going to MRT station. We're walking with my DH. Vlogging.
We're walking towards Stevens Road to MRT station. Here in Singapore.
Because we're going to China.
We're going to China.
We're walking here in Singapore. Walking. Walking with my colleagues over there. Double decker bus. And then, our hotel's view, swimming pool. Kada ko sila swimming pool. Ako dito. This is front of our hotel.